form. Now, this is a form of a trademark, what we can say, if you want to register, you have to fill this form. Online it is available, you can do the registration of a trademark by filling the detailed information here. Now, what information you are going to fill in this form? So, for regarding the trademark, it may be logo, then or whatever your trademark you have decided, as we have seen the types, any type whatever it may be, you will give the details. Then your name, who will be the owner of that trademark, address of trademark owner, then classification, you have to choose NICE classification or Vienna classification, then trademark use since date, because in India it is allowed. It is not like I have already mentioned in earlier module that trademark, if it is already used, it is not necessary that before venture you have to register trademark. This is not the case. You can start your business, and then if whenever you feel that okay, now I have to register, at that time also you can register your trademark.